A lush green forest. Birds are chirping, and animals are happily roaming around. In this forest, a swift rabbit lives, proud of his agility. He showcases his speed to all the animals while running. He laughs at the slow-moving tortoise and mocks him.
You are so slow.
If you are truly fast, why don't we have a race?
A race. The rabbit laughs and agrees instantly. All the forest animals gather. One tree is set as the start, and another as the finish line. All animals are ready to watch the competition. As the race starts, the rabbit speeds ahead. The tortoise starts moving slowly but steadily. The rabbit looks back and sees the tortoise is far behind. Proudly, he lies down under a tree to rest and falls asleep. The tortoise continues without stopping, with patience and hard work. He passes the sleeping rabbit and reaches the finish line. All the animals cheer happily. A little while later, the rabbit wakes up, but it's too late. He admits his mistake and feels ashamed. The tortoise smiles and explains the importance of hard work and patience, smiling face with smiling eyes.